Welcome students. Here I am going to discuss about the syllabus exam systems for class 11 physics 2024-25. Already we know that you have two semesters, semester 1 and semester 2 in class 11. Semester 1, the exam will be held at the middle of the September. All are MCQ type questions. Full marks it will be 35. Exam time 1 hour 15 minutes. At the time of exam, you will be given an OMR sheet to give the answer, a blank page for rough work, and also a question paper. Here the pass marks is 30%, that means 10.5 marks. In semester 1, no practical exam, just a written exam in MCQ type questions. Syllabus for semester 1 physics. The name of the chapters and the marks distribution. First chapter is physical world and measurement. It is 3 marks. Here also dimensions of the physical quantities and also the use of dimensions are there, and also some measuring instruments, errors, round off, etc. are there in that chapter. Number 2, kinemetrics, scalar and vectors. Had the maximum marks 12 marks. Question number chapter number 3, laws of motion. Here 8 marks. Laws of motion means here Newton's law of motion, frictions and uniform circular motion. Next chapter is work, power and energy. From this chapter marks will be allotted 5 marks. Next chapter is motion of the system of particles and rigid bodies, and it is 7 marks. So it is a totally 3 plus 12 plus 8 plus 5 plus 7, that means totally is 35 marks, and all the questions are in MCQ type questions. But all the questions are not the same types of question. Some question will be fill in the blanks, some column matching, accession reasoning types, diagram based some questions, true and false type questions, case based questions. This type of questions will become with MCQ form. Every question have the 4 options, but here out of 35 questions, 50% questions will be basic and simple questions. 30 marks are little bit more complex, and the rest of 20% will be tough questions. These are the types of MCQ questions for the semester 1. There is a system of supplementary exam. Here the supplementary exam means it is a chance to you for clearing the backlog subjects in the semester 1. That means if you will not able to qualify that means score 30% marks in physics, then you will be given a chance to clear the subject. Here the exam will be in February. Here the full marks is 35. Time also allotted for this is 1 hour 15 minutes. Question is MCQ type questions. Pass marks 30% of 35, that means 10.5 marks is the passing marks. Now the semester 2. Semester 2 starts from the first week of November and exam will be at the middle of March of the next year. Here full marks is 35 marks theoretical and 30 marks practical. In case of theoretical, the types of question is SAQ and DQ. For the theoretical, time will be allotted 2 hours. Practical exam will be taken before the theoretical exam in semester 2. Here also the pass marks 30%. That means for the theoretical the pass mark is 10.5 mark and for the practical it is a 9 mark. Now the information for practical exam. Already we know this practical exam will be taken before semester 2. Full marks is 30. Here the question papers like that. You have to do 2 experiments. For each experiment, marks is allotted for each experiment 8 marks. That means for experiment total marks is 16. Viva on those 2 experiment is 4 marks. That means 2 marks for first experiment and 2 marks for the second experiment. For your laboratory book, the marks will be allotted 3 marks and must you have to submit a project work, and for this project notebook it will be 7 marks. Pass marks is 30%, that is you have to score 9 marks minimum. This is the types of exam for the physics and your syllabus. Thank you.